It's time to harvest sweet potatoes. So, when you've had your first frost, or it's close to the first frost, and the leaves are turning yellow, it's time to harvest. That's where we are. So, here we go. I had hardware cloth on here because when I planted the slips, they were having a really hard time getting started because the bunny rabbits kept eating them off. So I just pulled the hardware cloth back and all of the greens came off with it. So now let's see what's under here. Harvest from this year. I do think I got more last year. I think having to put those the hardware cloth to keep the bunnies out, I think it kept more roots from growing because it kept the vines up off the soil. So next year I will grow it back in the original bed. But yeah, that's a lot of sweet potatoes. I'll take it.